slimming shakes. Most nutritionists agree that at dinner, we should consume around 20% of the total daily calories, but based on a menu that contains the most appropriate foods for that time, and in that group we find lean proteins, vegetables cooked, preferably cooked fruits, some carbohydrates but in a very small dose, natural yogurt, preferably skim, fresh cheeses, infusions and smoothies. Very interesting, right? Well, if you no longer know what to eat at night or want a healthy but easy dinner, don't miss the best 5 slimming shakes. They are delicious. Next, let's look at these 5 shakes in the index. Green smoothie with banana, vanilla and pear smoothie, cherry and banana smoothie, amaranth and papaya smoothie, apple smoothie with oats, green smoothie with banana. When you prepare smoothies for dinner and a good night's sleep, make sure to always include foods with tryptophan and vitamin B, as these compounds contribute to the release of sleep hormones. Additionally, to fortify the positive effects of both, you can add ingredients with potassium, magnesium and calcium, as we did in this smoothie for dinner, so you will rest easy. Ingredients: 1 banana, 150 grams of spinach, 1/2 avocado, 1 teaspoon flour honey, 250 milliliters of milk, 1 tablespoon of oat flakes. If you already have everything on the counter, don't wait any longer and get to work, following the following step-by-step green smoothie with banana. What are foods with tryptophan? Banana, pineapple, milk, cherry, avocado, oatmeal, cheese, chicken, fish, turkey, peanuts, pumpkin and sunflower seeds, nuts, egg whites, etc. Other properties of this smoothie: strengthens muscles and bones, reduces the feeling of hunger, improves the digestive system, regulates intestinal transit, prevents heart disease, anemia and cancer, facilitates the increase in muscle mass. Tip: if you are sensitive to raw vegetables, blanch the spinach before processing. Vanilla and pear smoothie. For those who still have doubts about whether it is good to have a fruit smoothie for dinner, feel free to drink it, as long as you do not overdo it with citrus fruits or those that contain a lot of sugar. What are the best fruits for the night? Pear, apple and pineapple, closely followed by banana and cherries. Therefore, we have included the following recipe among our smoothies for dinner. Ingredients: 2 pears, 2 natural yogurts, 1 pinch of ground cinnamon, 1/2 dessert spoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of sugar dessert, 200 milliliters of milk. Have you already checked everything you need for this recipe? Then you just have to follow the following step-by-step of the vanilla and pear smoothie, so that you can add it to your preferences in smoothies to replace dinner, since it has all the necessary nutrients for that meal. Properties of this smoothie: it enhances sleep quality, protects the cardiovascular system and the skeletal system. It combats fluid retention, which is beneficial in many ways, and one of them is waking up with more deflated eyelids or fewer bags under the eyes. Reduces LDL cholesterol, or commonly called bad cholesterol. It promotes weight loss because it is satiating, but as long as you change the sugar for a sweetener and use skim dairy products. Tip: the pear is among the least allergenic and easiest to digest fruits. Cherry and banana smoothie. There are fruit smoothies for dinner that are very tasty, but there are others that border on mega delicious. This recipe, which looks like a candy but is highly nutritious, falls into that category. Ideal for killing unhealthy cravings. Among its nutrients are proteins, tryptophan, potassium, magnesium and calcium, among many others. Everything you need to end the day. So every time you need smoothies to replace dinner, keep this option in mind. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 125 gr of cherries, 2 skimmed yogurts, 175 milliliters of skimmed milk, 2 tablespoons of honey or agave syrup. If you have already left a long day of work behind, then prepare this comforting drink, just following the following step-by-step of the cherry and banana smoothie. An express dinner, for those days when exhaustion takes over. Properties of this smoothie: improves night rest. You strengthen bones, muscles, teeth and gums. Improves the nervous system. Benefits: memory. It facilitates weight loss as it purifies and satisfies, which is why it is one of our best smoothie recipes to lose weight. It has an anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect, especially for the muscles. It gives you a feeling of satiety. Tip: avoid sugar in your smoothies for dinner. Amaranth and papaya smoothie. This papaya smoothie for dinner is ideal for those who need to lose weight while they sleep, since its compounds include choline, tryptophan, adenine, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, papain, among others. Choline and papain come from papaya. Both have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, but only the first helps you fall asleep and facilitates the elimination of fat. A perfect duo to lose abdominal fat during sleep. Ingredients: 500 milliliters of almond milk, 300 gr of papaya, 1 pinch of stevia powder or sweetener, 120 grams of flaked oats, 60 grams of amaranth seeds. Do you want to check how effective this drink is? Well, check out the following detailed step-by-step of the amaranth and papaya smoothie. Drink this drink 3 times a week for 15 days, alone or with a light dinner. Properties of this smoothie: regulates intestinal transit, sates, reduces inflammation and facilitates digestion. It is one of our favorite smoothies for dinner and burning abdominal fat. It is very nutritious, which is why it works as one of the best smoothies to replace dinner. It keeps bones in good condition because it is rich in minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. The papaya smoothie at night is very digestible, so it does not weigh you down and prevents heartburn. Facilitates the increase in muscle mass. Tip: the natural sugar in honey produces a slight secretion of insulin that stimulates melatonin. Apple smoothie with oats. Smoothies for dinner with oats are increasingly popular as they provide many benefits, apart from a good rest. Among its recurring nutrients are adenine, tryptophan, group B vitamins, carbohydrates, and potassium. Adenine is a protein with a calming effect, which reduces anxiety and promotes rest. Now, starting from oats as a base for your drinks, you can add any ingredient you like. We put the following ingredients in our smoothie, and look how it turned out. 1 liter of light or skim milk, 2 apples, 6 tablespoons oatmeal, 2 tablespoons of honey. If you already have all the ingredients, now you just need to follow the following easy step-by-step of the apple and oatmeal smoothie. Good for losing weight and gaining muscle mass. Properties of this smoothie: it enhances sleep quality. It fills you up, lowers cholesterol levels, lowers blood sugar levels, and burns fat. For all of the above, if you are looking for smoothies to lose weight at night, you have already found a very effective one. Improves digestion, regulates intestinal transit, keeps your cardiovascular system healthy, take care of your skeletal system, facilitates the increase in muscle mass. Tip: in general, whole grains are rich in tryptophan. What did you think? Well, not? In future videos, more smoothies and juices for the heart, for fluid retention, for purifying the liver, cleansing, and many more surprises. Thank you for watching my video.